Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect your Subaru Outback battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather your essential tools, including a wrench and safety glasses, to protect your eyes from any potential sparks or debris. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth process for everyone involved. Now let's start with the negative terminal. This is crucial for safety. Locate the negative terminal on your battery, which is typically marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Using your wrench, carefully loosen the nut on this terminal. Once it's loose, gently remove the negative cable and ensure it's secured away from the battery and any metal parts of the car to prevent accidental contact. With the negative terminal safely disconnected, it's time to address the positive terminal. You'll find this terminal marked with a plus sign, usually connected to a red cable. Just like before, use your wrench to carefully loosen the nut on this terminal. Once it's free, remove the positive cable. It's extremely important to keep this cable from touching any metal surfaces on the vehicle to avoid short circuits. When you're ready to reconnect your battery, the order is important. Always start by attaching the positive cable to the positive terminal first, then follow by connecting the negative cable to the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are tight and secure to prevent any power interruptions or issues. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This ensures your battery is properly connected and ready for use, keeping everything running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.